Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, power liftgate, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.